Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to enter a code on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to enter a code on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see there is the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and you land on this interface where you can see the coupons and offers option available for us over here. Just below your reviews, tap on coupons and offers, and you land over here where at the top of the screen guys you can see there is a box where it says enter coupon code. Now in order to redeem your coupon code guys, this is the place to enter a code on Temu. And with that being said guys, enter your Temu code over here and tap on the apply button at the right side of the box, and that code will be entered and redeemed on your account. And that being said guys, this is how to enter a code on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.